Good morning everyone. This is Indra. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to solve a multiple choice question related with the topic eigenvector and eigenvalue. Please watch this video till the end so that you will be very clear about this multiple choice question. First of all, let me read the question. Here the question is for the matrix P. It is given here 3 by 3 square matrix. For the matrix P, one of the eigenvalue is here -2. We are given that one eigenvalue is -2. And which of the following is the corresponding eigenvalue? We are just going to find out the corresponding eigenvector. Okay. When the eigenvalue is -2, we are just going to evaluate the corresponding eigenvector for this matrix P. And here four options are given. Okay. Let's solve these questions. Okay. Okay. Let me go ahead. Here the solution. Please remember that while solving the questions about the eigenvector and the eigenvalue, you have to remember one very important formula. It is just called the characteristic equation. Characteristic equation is just the here the matrix is P, so P minus lambda I times x equals to 0. We have to remember these characteristic equations while solving the questions related with the eigenvector and eigenvalue. P minus lambda I times x equals to 0. Here we have just in this system we have just substitute the value of P. P is just this matrix minus lambda, and the lambda is just the eigenvalue. And in our question given that the eigenvalue is -2, so value of the lambda is -2. Okay, let's go ahead. Here in this system we have just substitute the value of the P, and the lambda is here -2 times I is the identity matrix of the same size as the matrix. Okay, our matrix P is 3 by 3 size matrix, so the identity matrix of the size 3 by 3 is just 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This matrix is just the identity matrix. Okay, and here we have just substitute the value of the lambda equals to -2. This is the value of the lambda, and this vector, this matrix is just the identity matrix, okay, of the order 3 by 3. And here the value of the x is here the eigenvector, corresponding eigenvector. We are just going to find out the value of the x. It is here suppose is the here it is suppose is the Coulomb vector here a b c. Here are the three variables because our matrix, this matrix is 3 by 3 size matrix, so we have to assume the three variables for the eigenvector. So the here the three variables a, b, and c for the eigenvector. Okay, we are just going to find out the value for the a, b, and c. Then that will call as that vector is called as the eigenvector x. Okay. And here in this system we have just substitute the value of the value of P, these equations. Okay, P minus lambda I times x equals to 0. Okay, and here is simple matrix operations. Here -2 times 1. Okay, first of all we have to multiply this matrix by the scalar. Okay, -2 times here negative times negative, positive 2. If we multiply these 2 and 1, +2, and here the matrix additions, then we will perform the matrix additions just by 3 plus here 2, 3 plus 2 5, and negative +2 times 0 will be 0, so not affected. This increase will not be affected. Okay, just here doing the simple matrix operations. Okay, first we have to multiply by this scalar to this matrix, and then we will add these two matrix. Okay, and after adding these two matrix, we will obtain this result. Okay, and then multiplying this result to this eigenvector. Okay, and here is simple matrix multiplications. Okay, let me just go ahead. Okay, here is just a simple matrix multiplications. If we multiply these two matrix, then the result will then the equations, linear equations will be that. Just 5 times a 5a negative 2 times b negative 2b and 2 times c positive 2c. This equals to 0. This is one equation. And similarly, 0 times a will give 0, 0 times b will give 0, and 1 times c will give c. So c equals to 0. Next equation. Similarly, 0 times, okay, similarly, we can, okay, let me just, okay, 0 times, this 0 times a, 0, 0 times b, 0, 3 times c, 3c equals to 0. This implies again c equals to 0. And here we have the two linear equations, c equals to 0. If we plug in the value of the c equals to 0 in these equations, then the relations between a and b will be obtained here. Okay. And from these relations, we can substitute the value for the a, and then we will find out the next variable b, and the c is here 0. So let me just go to the options here. 4 options are given. Okay, here we have just obtained the value of the c as a 0, and the c is the here the third component of this vector. C should be exactly 0. Okay, and here among these 4 options, in option D, the third component is here 0. This is the position of C. Okay, the third component is just the C. So here we can see this third component is 0. And okay, let's check, let's verify this option is correct or not. Okay, let me just go down. Here the value of the A, if this answer is correct, here value of the A is 2 and the value of the B is 5. Okay, let's plug in the value of the A as the 2 and B as the 5 in this equation. If we plug in the value of the A as a 2, then this will be just 10, and the value of the B as the 5, positive 10, negative 10 will be cancelled it out, plus 2 times C. C is here 0, 0 equals to 0. The equations will be satisfied. Okay, if we plug in the value of the A as the 2, B as the 5, and the C as the 0, then the equations, the obtained equations will be satisfied. So these options D is the correct answer for these questions. And in others options, the third component is not 0, so we can easily eliminate these options A, B, and C. So the option D is the correct answer for this multiple choice questions related with the eigen value and eigen vector. Okay, this is very easy questions. In this question, you have to remember, you have to memorize one very important formula, that is just this characteristic equation, p minus lambda I times x equals to 0. And then just plug in the value and then just performing the simple matrix operations, and then we will get the required eigen vector. In our next video, we will discuss more about such types of the multiple choice questions related with eigen value and eigen vector. So please keep watching, keep loving this channel, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. This much for today. Thank you all of you.